Hello everyone, welcome to Vidhigya Explained Series. Topic for today's discussion is BRICS. So context. So BRICS was in news because of World Bank was in news, and now this COD is in news and other NATO is in news. So therefore, it is important to also know about the BRICS. So we'll discuss about the BRICS. So slowly, we'll be covering through expenses most important international organizations, and BRICS is one of such multilateral organization. So BRICS is an acronym for the grouping of the world's leading emerging economies, namely Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. So you can also see Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. So what is more important about this, that it together represent about 42% of the population and 23% of the world GDP and about 30% of the territory and 18% of the global trade. So this is how these five countries are emerging economies, and this is the relevance that they are almost 42% of the population, 23% GDP, 30% territory, 18% of global trade. So now about BRICS. So in 2006, BRICS countries started their dialogue, which since 2009 takes place at annual meetings of head of state and government. So it started BRIC countries. Starting initially, there was BRIC, and South Africa was not part of BRIC. So startingly, so in the 2006, BRIC started as a forum, and then these four countries started. After that, these four countries started meeting regularly. In 2011, South Africa joined the group, and therefore naming becomes BRICS: Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. So how it has formed? So the grouping was formalized during the first sorry. The grouping was formalized during the first meeting of BRIC foreign minister on the margins of UN General Assembly in the New York in September 2006. So that is not important. What is important in the 2006? The first BRIC summit took place in 2009 in the Russian. So first summit took place in 2009. So the idea started in 2006, and the first summit took place in BRIC summit took place in 2009 in Russian Federation and focused on issues such as a reform on the global financial structure. So first meeting in 2009, and the first initial start of the about BRIC organization in 2006, and first meeting took place in Russian Federation. So Russia in BRIC. So after Russia, so it goes by like 1 year Brazil, second year Russia, then India, then China, then South Africa, then Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. That's how the meeting takes place. Every year, the organizing countries are different. So now there is another bank in the BRIC also, that is known as New Development Bank. So this New Development Bank, so it was established in the year 2014. So you have to remember the new development is bank associated with which of the organization, that is BRICS organization, and it's established in the year 2014. The idea behind the new development bank was mooted by India at the fourth BRICS summit in New Delhi in 2012, and the formation treaty was signed in 2016 in the sixth BRICS summit. So sixth BRICS summit, the idea and or you can say the formation treaty related to new development was signed, and where that is in Fortaleza in Brazil. So that is important that they will ask that BRICS New Development Bank agreement was signed in which of the city, that is Fortaleza in Brazil, in sixth BRICS summit in the year 2040. Who are the members? So we have discussed about the member, that is Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. So after BRICS, third BRICS summit in Sanaya, Chennai. So South Africa in third BRICS summit in 2011. So in the third BRICS summit, South Africa joined. So the chairmanship of forum is rotated annually among the members in accordance with the acronym BRICS. So as I've told you in the last slide, the importance I've also discussed about this, and the five BRICS countries also members. So this is also important that this is G20 and this is BRICS. So these five BRICS countries are also part of G20. So what you have to remember from this, is that about BRICS, when it was established, first meeting in Russian Federation, meeting rotated annually. Then it was about that South Africa joined in 2011. Then there is a new development bank, that is in 2014, in the sixth BRICS summit in the Fortaleza in the Brazil. So this is the some of the factual information that you need to know about this topic. So now we'll discuss 5 important questions related to this topic. The first question is, how many countries are part of BRICS? Your options are 2, 3, 4, none of the above. The correct option is none of the above, because the correct option is five countries. Question number 2, South Africa joined the grouping in which year? Your option is 2011, 2012, 2013, none of the above. The correct option is 2011. Question number 3, NDB, New Development Bank, was established in which year? Your option 2013, 2014, 2015, none of the above. The correct option is 2014. Question number 4. NDB was established in which of the following summit? Summit. 6th, 5th, 7th, none of the above. Correct option is 6th BRICS Summit. 6th BRICS Summit in 2014 in Fortaleza in Brazil. So this is, you have to remember. Now, NDB headquartered in which of the following countries? Nations: China, India, Brazil, none of the above. So the correct option is China, and that is in Shanghai. So that is all for this session. Stay logical with Vidhigya, your best pal in CLAT Preps.